If you've ever wanted to turn your written words into spoken audio, whether for a voiceover, narration, or just to add a dynamic element to your video, good news. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use CapCut on your PC to transform plain text into natural, customizable speech. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add text-to-speech to any project, giving your videos a professional polish without needing to record your own voice. Let's jump right in. First off, you'll want to add your text to the project. At the top of CapCut's interface, you'll see a menu. Look for the button labeled Text. Give that a click and you'll see several options pop up. The one we want right now is the basic text box. Simply drag the text box down onto your timeline, just like you would with any video or audio clip. Now take a moment to type in or paste the script or words you want spoken aloud. This might be your video introduction, a set of instructions, or even dialogue, whatever fits your project. Double-check your spelling and punctuation here because the text-to-speech function will read exactly what you've entered. If you want your speech to sound natural, break up longer sentences and add line breaks where you'd pause when speaking. Don't worry if you change your mind later, you can always come back and tweak the text. Once your text is set, the next step is to open the text-to-speech panel. First, be sure the text layer you just created is selected on your timeline. You'll see new options appear in the panel on the top right of CapCut. One of these will say text-to-speech. Go ahead and click it. This is CapCut's built-in feature for converting text to natural-sounding audio. It can look a little hidden outside of this workflow, so just remember it's only available when you've got a text layer selected. Sometimes the first click might prompt a short loading period as CapCut gets things ready. This is perfectly normal. Here's the fun part, choosing your voice. After you click text-to-speech, a window will open up giving you a range of voice options like male or female voices, different accents and styles, each with its own tone and personality. Feel free to scroll through them and don't hesitate to preview a few by clicking the play button next to each voice. Think about your project's vibe. Do you want a bright, energetic narrator, a calm storyteller, or maybe just a neutral, clear voice? There's no wrong choice, it's about what best fits your video. If you're unsure, take your time to listen to how your text sounds with different voices. You might be surprised by how much a voice can shift the mood. Once you've landed on a voice you like, just click Generate Speech. CapCut will now process your text and transform it into audio. This step might take a few seconds depending on the length of your script, so don't worry if you see a brief loading bar. When it's done, you'll notice CapCut adds the new audio track directly to your timeline, lining up the speech with the spot where your text box was. This is where you can really make it your own. With your generated audio in place, you have editing options just like with any sound clip. You might want to adjust the volume to blend nicely with background music, trim the clip to fit your timing, or move it around to line up with specific visuals. If you only want the synthetic voice and not the written text on your screen, you can easily delete the text box. Your audio will remain perfectly in place. And that's it. You've created a custom voiceover from your own script, all without touching a microphone. This technique is perfect for tutorials, explainer videos, or any project where you need clear narration fast. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button. It genuinely helps out the channel. If you've got any questions or want to share your own CapCut tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.